Hi there. Ever wondered how Linux systems work? There are magic behind those materials terminal screens? Welcome to the enchanting or to shell scripting. What is shell? Is a portal to communicate with your computer, your magic wand for making things happen. There are many shells, but today we're diving into the world of Bash. To go to choice for Linux fans. Why would you learn shell scripting? Power flexibility, automate tasks, and build your programs. In-demand skills, it's a golden feather in your IT cap, personal growth, both problem solving skills, and logical thinking. Ready to try yourself? If you are able to open your terminal with Ctrl Alt T, try echo hello world and press enter and watch the magical unfold. Hello world. Quick exercise. Play with your terminal, open and close, and resize them. Close terminal, open, close, and resize. Then, and stretch of hello world, greet the world with your name using echo commands. Excited? This is just the beginning. Get ready for the training journey into the world of shell scripting. Until the next time, keep experimenting and stay curious.